first question is, when was the travel agency established?
Actually, KN Square Travel and Tours was established in July 2024. So we started that month, July 2024.
So, what was inspired you to start this travel agency?
Actually, I am a graduate. I am an engineer by profession, so it's not really related to this course. But what keeps me motivated to start a travel agency is I love traveling. I keep on traveling. I love to travel. So my friends keep on asking how to go to like Singapore. I want to go to Singapore. How much should I spend? What should I do like this? So that's why nakahuna-huna ako nga why not establish or put up a travel agency since my friends are keep asking me how to go there, how much should I spend, what should we do like that. So that's it. KN Square Travel and Tours was established.
So, how did the company begin and what are the initial challenges?
Okay, so how did we begin? Of course, first is create your name. So, we named this as KN Square Travel and Tours. Why KN Square Travel and Tours? Why we choose that name? Because KN starts, the initial of my two children, Katie Cole and Kent Naknaal. So, KN. Then squared because there are two KN. So that's why KN Square Travel and Tours. So name and structure, that's KN Square. Then also to apply the legalities, of course, business permit, PTI, and DOT accreditation. We are at DOT, Department of Tourism accredited. We are accredited. Then insurance, of course. And then we set up page. So it's very useful to have a FB page. We do have also a website. Then we do advertisement, business plan. So that's it. And then and start the network marketing.
So next question po.
Challenges? Challenges. There are still challenges. There's a lot of challenges to start with the travel and tour. First is the online competition. There's a lot of travel agencies now, and then even if they are not licensed, or they did not apply for business card, there are a lot of individuals who do just making FB page. Nalang sila FB page, and then they can market na we offer this one, we offer this. So sometimes muna nga naiuban na scam. Scammer yun. So, dagan ng scam, kinaka-down na sila, tapos palit na wala ang page, hindi na makontak. So, munang usa ka problem kay daghan ana. So, ang mga legal, ang mga legit ng mga travel agencies ay maangin sa mga other mga fake agencies. So, isa na siya ka mga challenges. And then, also, like kanang mag-book tickets or hotels, you can do it by online. You can just simply search or go to simply Cebu Pacific website, then you can book by yourself. So you do not need a travel agency anymore. And then like hotels booking also, you can do it by yourself. So that's one of the challenges that we are facing, especially kani mga new generation. They love to book by themselves. Atong makuha na ng mga senior. Kaya dili ka pa lumubok online. Hindi ka to book online. So, ato din na silang travel agency. And also company. Ato na silang travel agency, pag-company tour, group tours, mga. Pero, kani mga individual team, like that, they can do DIY travel. So, that's one of the challenges. And then, customer expectation also, the demand for instant, like gusto nila instant na tanan mobile, or even kung mag-book sila, like kanang uban nga mag-book na credit card nga, so wala patay anak nga technology, so magbilisod ang compete sa mga bigger industry or bigger travel agencies. So kana lang siya ng mga challenges na itong experience.
And then next question po, ma'am. how has the travel agency grown over the years?
Okay, so Kingsford Travel and Tours, July 2024, it's more than a year. So, more than a year na. So, how did we grow with this one? Continuous advertisement, yeah. We do continuous advertisement lang sa FB page. FB page is very, very useful. And then smart marketing, like, yeah, social media, referrals, or digital platform. And then adapting technology, the new trend of technology, like we use virtual tours, AI, ChatGPT. We do make some posters, so you can use the tools. Kailangan mo siya na mga posters. So before, daghan man, pwede gamitin mo create your own tools, posters, para promote na, like if you have a tour package to Camigues, you have to make your own poster. So, you need to adapt to technology, and then personal experience or experimental travel. So, I really have to travel first to that particular country, especially out of the country trips. Like, nga naman, if you keep on advertising, like Singapore's food, like this, the culture of the people there, how can you say if you don't have a personal experience, right? So I do personal travel and experimental travel, so that I can share to my clients. So even domestic tour, like in the Philippines, I have to para lang natay i-share kay lisod man to convince your client, but you don't have the experience, you don't know how to go there, you don't even know how to go there, or sa mga means of transportation, or sa ano like that. So it's very needed, your personal experience or the experimental travel. And then I need to develop some tie-ups, like mga tie-up ng mga hotel, para kung kay guests, tawagan ninyo nga, this is from Kingsford Travel and Tours, we have guests, so rates ninyo, can you give us a contracted rates, para at least you can have a lower price. Kaya if your clients or if your guests will book directly to that hotel, so mas makasave pa sila kung i-add-on pa ka, maraka pa ka, diba? So you need to develop some tie-ups para they will give you a lower or a special price or contracted price. So that's how we grow over years bago pa man ta. So we hope that we will be growing more and more years to come.
And the next question po, what are the core values or mission of the company?
Actually, our core values for Kingsford Travel and Tour, customer focus satisfaction. Of course, we prioritize our customer satisfaction. And then integrity and ethics, honesty, transparency, or our responsibility as a travel and tour agency to take care of our clients or guests. And then quality and excellence, service delivery, professional conduct, reliable. You're a reliable agency. Of course, teamwork. Actually, I don't have a bigger team in this travel agency. Me only and one of my staff. So, only. Pero, we need to also side
The
na.
last question po, what services does your travel agency?
Okay, so Kingsford Travel and Tours, we offer airline ticketing, domestic and international, we do. And then ferry ticketing also, but limited ticketing. Hotel bookings, travel and tour packages, holiday packages or tour packages. We have domestic and international tour packages. We do visa assistance, passport assistance, bills payment, and also bills payment, travel insurance. We offer travel insurance. PSA and passport assistance, and we also have house rental and car services. So that's all the services we offer.
So that's it. Thank you for having this.
Okay, thank you so much also. Thank you for choosing Kingsford Travel and Tour to be one of your, of course, your model, so to be your model agency, so you will be employed in a travel agency. So I hope I will see you when you graduate soon and experience KN's Travel and Tours. Thank you.